his funeral, says Martin McGuinness always argued the armed struggle was initially justified, even though he later came to see its futility.
He was at the right age or the wrong age, depending on how you look at it, that he got caught up, and I could only see violence as a way forward.
Did Martin McGuinness ever express any remorse for the violence he was involved in?
Dear God, my toes look.
Those things that were done, so he at the time thought that they were the right thing to do to rid the injustices, to rid the poverty, to the fact that any addressment is
From Armalite to Armistice, Martin McGuinness remained proud of the community from which he came, one which tonight Dan Rivers, ITV News, Derry.
Political achievements and shaping the peace process in Northern Ireland, he will forever be remembered by survivors of their victims for the violence of his past. Many are unable to forgive, as they made clear today.
Let's see him snoring.
Because with him,